What's up, boys? Today something a little different. I'm starting on this GTX. It is a 2001 Seadoo GTX DI. It's a 951 direct injection. It's actually not mine. I'm working on it for someone else. But heck, might as well go through the diagnosis of it and fixing it. But there's your direct injection. All I've done is taken out this plate that goes right here. So twin cylinder, 951, 947, whatever you want to call it. But there's your throttle bodies down there. Pretty cool motors, but I'm gonna get this thing taken apart. It's got no compression in this first cylinder right here, so we'll see. I think it's got 10 psi here and 110 here, but I don't hear any knocking or anything, so it might just be a top end, but we'll see. Let's dig in. I got the cylinders off. Not really sure what happened. Cylinders look fine. I'll talk to him, see if he wants to get new ones or not. But the piston is cooked. You can see that busted spot right there. Crankshaft's tight. It's clean down in there. I assume it's just from wear over time, I guess. I mean, it's a two-stroke, they go. But you could get a piston kit or a piston kit and the cylinders. So this thing is probably one of the more difficult top ends I've had to pull, just because it's thick down towards the bottom of the motor. Then once you start getting up towards the seat area, it gets real skinny. Everything's tight compared to a Yamaha. I mean, it's not easy, but we got it all off. I know these motors have issues with their counterbalances down there and the seals. There's two seals right here down on the crank that go bad, but I don't know. I don't see any of that being related to this, so I think I'm just going to put a top end kit in it. So, hey, we'll see what he wants to do. But there's the cylinders, there's the motor. There's the motor from my XP. So that's coming soon too. So, all right, boys, we'll be back soon. All right, so we got the new cylinders. Freaking good looking, man. Brand new SBT remanufactured cylinders. Here's the old ones. I gotta pull everything off here and swap it over to here. Got all my extra parts. Head, power valves. I gotta work the power valves down. Alright, so check that. We got them all marked up, but see that chunk taken out of there? Then if you go look at the piston, if you go check the piston, exactly. I think that freaking power valve, or this piston caught that power valve. So I had these power valves worked down about a quarter of a millimeter. So, hey, that should work. If I'm right, it looks like that power valve caught that piston. So, getting them power valves machined down should fix that issue. But hey, got all our parts. So we'll get this thing back together. Let's get it. Cylinders on, pistons are in, everything's spinning right. That was probably one of the most difficult cylinder installs I've ever had to do. I had to pull the cylinder out of the ski, put the pistons in the cylinder, and then hang the pistons under and put the wrist clips in, just because it's a one piece and everything's so freaking difficult with one piece cylinders when you're trying to put the rings in the pistons. So I don't know, that's that. Things installed, let's keep going. it is. Everything's together, boys. I got the hose hooked up. About to fire her up. Let's give her a try. Go ahead and crank it on. All the way on. There it is, boys. Right on. Hey, there it is. She's running. Let the guy know we got her going. I don't know if he wants me to test it or not. It's not leaking water or anything from around the exhaust seals or anything. So, hey, successful. So, next one's up to XP. Stay tuned, boys. PowerShift out.